Do you know that majority of the things we use every day are made by manufacturing industries? From light products such as matches, television sets, fan, books, clothes, to heavy and bulky products like cars, ships, metals used in construction, and petroleum. But did you know that manufacturing industries differs based on the products they are able to manufacture? For example, the industry involved in the manufacturing of light products like matches and needles is different from the industry involved in the manufacturing of heavyweight materials like cars and the refining of petroleum. The industry that manufactures matches is classified as lightweight industry, while the industry that manufactures ships and cars are classified as heavy industries. Are these the only classes of industries? No. There are industries that are involved in manufacturing of consumable goods such as meat, milk, beer, coffee, and alcohol. These industries that deals with the manufacturing of food products are called consumer goods industries. So the three main classes of industries are light industries involved in the manufacturing of lightweight goods, consumer goods industries involved in the manufacture of consumable goods, and heavy industries involved in the manufacturing of heavyweight materials. Trust you had fun learning in this lesson. See you in the next lesson.